Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching amythtraveller. We started from Munich Central Station at 8:40. The train was at 8:40 and we reached Lenggries in 1 hour 10 minutes. We are in Lenggries now and we are walking on the street towards our hike. This is my Croatian friend. Hi. And he's local, he's German. Guys, this hike is a 17-kilometer stretch hike and the starting for around 1 kilometer we were walking on the road. After that we got into the forest and since last 20 minutes it's been steep ascending, so we have been hiking up and up. It's been a complete foggy weather till now since our start of hike, but finally now the sun is shining upon us. Guys, this looks really amazing. You can see in the background it's a blanket of clouds. It looks so beautiful here. This is an amazing hike to do.
Beginning is like, why am I doing this?
Now you love hiking.
Yeah, and when you see this view, it's like, it makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
To do with life.
Yeah, it's like, wow.
That's how I feel every time. I feel so energized.
Yeah, exactly. Like to be in nature, to see this view, it's so different, like from the city. Like, it makes all sense. I like it. I'll do it again.
So guys, after hiking for 90 minutes, we have reached at a point where we have the marking toward the Seekarkreuz that we are hiking today. And for the first 90 minutes of hike, it's been all steep ascent. She's the one who is taking lots of breaks. Yeah, she's the culprit. And she ate all of our lunch as well. Everyone's lunch except Martin's. Guys, we hiked for 3 hours throughout the forest. It was all steep climb. Now finally we seem to arrive our destination. That's the final peak. That's where we are going. And now finally we have some sunlight here. Earlier throughout the forest it was very cold, but it's very beautiful from here. The view from here is really awesome. All I could see is the clouds. This is the top summit point. It took us 3.5 hours to reach here. View from the top. Seekarkreuz is at an altitude of 1569 meters above sea level, and now we are descending back. We have to get down the same way that we came up, so that's pretty much the same way that we went up earlier. You can see this was the hut from where we took a right turn, where we had a board saying that it's a way towards Seekarkreuz. This is the hut. Here you can stay for the night. The view from here is really very beautiful. This is the group that I'm hiking with. Early in the morning we hiked from that route and went up to Seekarkreuz, and then we descended now here near this hut, and from this hut we are moving again through this another descending path. Guys, during the descent we see a small water stream flowing down. While descending, that stream that we saw earlier is turning into a beautiful waterfall here. We were descending for 1 hour and we saw a stream. That stream led to this small, tiny, beautiful waterfall. This is how we came now, this route, and now we have a bridge here. It's 5 kilometers from here to Lenggries.
Come on, girls!
These are the girls who are late for their train. They are late for the train, so they are running now. We are finally at Lenggries after our 17-kilometer hike, and now here we have the train to Munich. We have completed the hike, and we are a group of 19 people. These are the ones who completed it. Oh, she is wearing a glass. Wow, that's nice.
I want to be anonymous.
Oh. Hey guys, thanks for joining this hike. It was great hiking with everyone. Hello Mario. He is Super Mario, super active. he was the one who was leading the group. He was in front.
And the back.
Yeah, and the back. He was covering everyone. Hey guys, just wave hand.